Stem cells are unique and powerful cells that have the potential to transform into many different types of cells in the body. They are the building blocks of life with the ability to regenerate and repair tissues. Unlike regular cells, stem cells are undifferentiated, meaning they can become specialized cells such as muscle, blood, or nerve cells. There are several types of stem cells, each with unique properties and applications. Embryonic stem cells, or ESCs, derived from early-stage embryos, these pluripotent cells can become almost any cell type in the body, making them invaluable for research and tissue regeneration. Adult stem cells, or ASCs. Found in various tissues, these multipotent cells can develop into a limited range of cell types, such as hematopoietic stem cells from bone marrow that generate blood cells. They are essential in tissue repair. Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. Created by reprogramming adult cells, iPSCs behave like ESCs and have significant potential in disease modeling and personalized medicine without the ethical concerns of using embryos. Perinatal stem cells. Sourced from the placenta, umbilical cord, or amniotic fluid, these cells share characteristics of both ESCs and ASCs and hold promise in regenerative therapies. Each type of stem cell provides distinct opportunities for research and development across various fields. Stem cells play a crucial role in regenerative medicine, offering the potential to treat injuries, degenerative diseases, and even organ failure. By harnessing their regenerative properties, scientists can work on restoring damaged tissues and organs, providing hope for treatments that are more sustainable and effective. Stem cells are also essential in scientific research. In the lab, they are used to study disease development, test drug efficacy, and explore novel therapies. Their versatility makes them a valuable tool for understanding how diseases arise and finding new ways to combat them. BOC Sciences stem cell molecule products. At BOC Sciences, we provide a wide range of stem cell molecules, including growth factors, signaling molecules, and other essential reagents that support stem cell culture and differentiation. Our high-quality products are designed to aid in research, advancing the understanding of stem cells and their applications in various fields. If you're looking for reliable and cutting-edge stem cell molecules, BOC Sciences is here to support your research. Contact BOC Sciences today. Our team is ready to provide the solutions you need for your stem cell research and beyond.